What if I told you the iPhone as we know it could disappear in just 10 years? Yes, you heard that right. Leaks have revealed Apple's shocking new iPhone roadmap, and it's packed with bold innovations, surprising design changes, and even the launch of Apple's first foldable iPhone. Let's break it all down in this exclusive deep dive only on Trove. Magnifying glass tilted left. Apple's game plan, a strategic shift. Apple isn't just planning for the next iPhone, it's planning for the next decade. Facing rising competition, a growing product lineup, and a major production shift from China to India, Apple is rethinking how and when it launches new devices. The result? A staggered release schedule designed to reduce marketing fatigue and maintain spotlight on each model, especially as Apple plans to have 6 iPhone models on sale at the same time by the end of next year. Tear off calendar. Spring 2026, iPhone 17e arrives. The first change kicks off in spring 2026 with the introduction of the iPhone 17e, a refreshed version of Apple's lower-cost lineup. Think of it as a strategic budget model that fills the gap before the major flagship upgrades. Rocket Fall 2026, major upgrades begin with iPhone 18 series. This is when the big wave hits. Apple will launch the iPhone 18 Air, iPhone 18 Pro, and iPhone 18 Pro Max, and they'll introduce some of the most futuristic features we've ever seen on an iPhone. Here's what's coming. White heavy checkmark under display. Face ID. Apple finally hides Face ID under the screen, eliminating the notch and shrinking the camera cutout to a tiny hole in the corner. The dream of an uninterrupted display is finally here. White heavy checkmark. Advanced cameras, a brand new 48MP main sensor with variable aperture for pro-level photography. Plus, a powerful Samsung-made ultra-wide sensor for sharper, brighter wide-angle shots. White heavy checkmark. A20 chip on 2nm process. Say hello to Apple's most powerful chip ever, built on TSMC's upcoming 2nm process, promising insane performance and battery efficiency. White heavy checkmark. In-house C2 modem. Apple moves further away from Qualcomm with its very own C2 modem, designed to improve 5G performance and reduce power drain. Mobile phone. Apple's first foldable iPhone, the future unfolds. Also launching in fall 2026 is perhaps Apple's most exciting device in years, its first foldable iPhone. This foldable will have a book-style design with straight ruler, a 5.7-inch external display. Television, a massive 7.8-inch internal screen when unfolded. Locked with key. Touch ID built into the power button instead of Face ID. Brain, a premium titanium stainless steel hinge. Soap, an almost invisible crease in the display. Battery, a slim form factor, just 4.5mm when open and around 9.5mm when closed. And here's the catch, it will only have 2 rear cameras and a high-density battery to keep things light and thin. This could be Apple's answer to the Galaxy Z Fold, but done Apple style, more refined, more durable, and more user-friendly. Seedling. Spring 2027, iPhone 18 and iPhone 18e. In early 2027, Apple will follow up with the base iPhone 18 and 18e models. These will likely carry over key features from the 2026 Pro lineup, but at a more accessible price point. Straight ruler. Fall 2027, the iPhone turns 20 and gets a complete makeover. To celebrate the iPhone's 20th anniversary, Apple is going all out with the iPhone 19 Air, iPhone 19 Pro, and iPhone 19 Pro Max. Get ready for sparkles, a bold redesign with even more glass and curves. Camera with flash, the world's first iPhone with under-display front camera. Frame picture, a true edge-to-edge display, no notch, no punch hole, just pure screen. This is the all-display iPhone fans have been dreaming of for years. Books. Fall 2027, second-gen foldable iPhone. Right alongside the iPhone 19 series, Apple plans to launch the second generation of its foldable iPhone. This upgraded version will feature wrench-enhanced durability, shield, refined hinge design, mobile phone, more advanced foldable display tech, rocket, possibly more power-efficient internals and better battery life. Hourglass. Not done. Spring 2028 and beyond, a new rhythm. From now on, Apple is expected to follow a spring/fall release cycle, giving each iPhone model its own spotlight window, especially as more foldables and new form factors enter the picture. Robot face, a world without iPhones? Here's the kicker: according to Apple's own EDQ, the iPhone may become obsolete within 10 years. Apple is looking ahead to a future dominated by brain AI-powered wearables, globe with Meridian's ambient computing, watch devices that work seamlessly in the background without needing a screen in your hand. Imagine a world where your Apple glasses or your smart AirPods handle everything your phone used to do. That's where Apple sees itself heading. Directed final thoughts: are you ready for Apple's future? From foldables to fully hidden cameras, and possibly the end of the iPhone itself, Apple's roadmap is nothing short of revolutionary. So, what do you think? Would you buy a foldable iPhone? Are under-display cameras the future? Or are you already ready to ditch the phone for smart glasses?